Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you some really cool pieces of equipment here, and this is Raymond's telephone and bell box from Georgia. And he's got a really nice setup here. He's got a rotary desk telephone that's a Stromberg Carlson. It's 1198 is the model of that. And that was Stromberg Carlson's answer to competing with Western Electric's 202. And we also have a bell box here, and the model is a 1561. And we're going to be looking at both units. I want to show you the bell box. It is in the Art Deco style. And we have our Stromberg Carlson sticker here. We also have a letter with this bell box and telephone. And this switch is to turn the bell off. And this unit has been worked on along with the telephone at some point. Someone put new cords. The cloth cords on here have been cut, and so Raymond purchased this equipment, and basically what he wants to do is the lines were cut, all the cords, so we need to reinstall the cords and make sure that everything is taken care of. We want to show you the inside of the bell box, and that gives you a look at the inside. So everything's got to be put back together basically. We have our solenoid here, and we have a network, and of course our bells. And we'll get that all straightened out. Very cool Art Deco style bell box. In very good condition. So we'll set that to the side. We have our 1198, and we're going to go ahead and give you a look at that. This is the initial checkout in very good condition. Great example. We want to go through the hook switch. The plunger is kind of sticking, and we want to free that up. We also want to go through the rotary. We want to oil, clean, and adjust the rotary. We have the bottom cover off. And we want to show you the inside of the telephone. All of our lines have been cut here. Very clean unit, in very good condition. We want to get a start on this, and we're going to take a short break. We'll get some more video as we move forward in the repair of this telephone and bell box. So we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this telephone and bell box. We're going to run through a little bit about what went on. We went ahead and reconnected all the lines and cords to the telephone and bell box that were cut. We also went through the rotary. That was oiled, cleaned, and adjusted. We went through the transmitter, receiver, the hook switch, plunger, and the hook switch, and made sure all the connections in the base of the telephone were proper. We also went into the network, made sure all those connections were proper, adjusted the bells, and we checked our off and on switch for the bell box. Raymond wanted to be able to turn this bell box off and on. So we also want to mention the amplifier here. We use this amplifier in testing and troubleshooting and repairing telephones, and we also use it in the video now so that you can hear what's going on when we set the receiver. So now what we want to do is start our ring cycle, and we're also going to check our switch. So we'll go ahead and use the analyzer and start our ring cycle, but we'll also be turning off and on the bell. We're going to turn the switch off on the next ring cycle, and then we're going to catch it again when it comes back on, We'll do that one more time. I'll let it ring and then we'll turn it off. Every time you see that red light, that's a ring cycle. We'll turn it back on. We want to turn our amplifier on, and we'll give you some dial tone. Now we also want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. So we know that this telephone is ringing in on a ring cycle. It's dialing out. It has transmit and receive. We can go ahead and call a time and temp number. And they're having some issues with their line. You'll hear the recording start, then you'll hear a hum, and then the recording will continue. That's on their end, has nothing to do with us. So we'll go ahead and turn our amplifier on. We also want to push this button on the switch box that totally takes the analyzer out of the situation and gives us a line out. And we'll give you some dial tone, and we'll call that number.
Today is Sunday, October 5th. The time is 7:35. Current temperature 73 degrees. Partly cloudy tonight, 30% chance of a shower, lows near 50. Monday, partly sunny, chance of a shower and a thunderstorm, high around 70.
Okay. We can also call my number and it'll be busy. Now that we know that this telephone and bell box has been repaired, we can return it to Raymond and he can enjoy this telephone now. Stromberg Carlson 1198 rotary desk telephone along with a 1561 Stromberg Carlson bell box. Very cool, highly collectible. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.